All right, here's another one. Your 13-pound daughter broke her arm at the park. The ER doc prescribed ibuprofen suspension 100. This is I can see it's a ratio, so I'm going to write it out. 100 milligrams per 5 milliliters. The dose for pain is 6 milligrams per kilogram every 6 hours. And there's another one, 2.2 pounds per 1 kilogram. And this time we want milliliters, so we definitely have to work it all the way out like we did on the last problem. These are all in the wrong order, so I can move them around if I want to try to get them in a better order. And it looks like this one's going to be the very last one that I need. And then, let's see, we'll start with the 13 pounds. And so since I have a person that's 13 pounds, I'm looking for something that's going to go from pounds to anything else. So pounds, in this case, I have one that goes from pounds to kilograms. So I'm going to use that one. Next, put that right over there. And then I will go, then I'll have things in kilograms. So once I have kilograms, then I can convert to milligrams using this conversion. And then the last conversion I'll need is the milligrams to milliliters. And since I am finding milliliters, again, I need all of these. So let's start off, see where we can put things. So I have 13 pounds per X kilograms equals 2.2 pounds, put the pounds in the numerator, over 1 kilogram. Multiply both sides by X. So I have 13 equals 2.2x, divide both sides by 2.2. And now my calculator. 13 divided by 2.2. And so x equals 5.90 repeating, and now we're in kilograms. So then I can take 5.90 repeating kilograms, and now I'll be able to convert it to, using this factor, convert it to milligrams. So over x milligrams equals, and this is kilograms over milligrams, and my factor is upside down, so I have to flip it. So I'll have 1 kilogram over 6 milligrams. Then I will want to multiply both sides by 6x. My x's go on the left. I have 5.90 repeating, which I have on my calculator, times 6 equals. So I end up with 35.45 repeating equals x. And that is in milligrams. Okay, so my x is milligrams. I can now use my last conversion factor. I'm going to take off the equals x because I can reuse this space. Okay, over x milliliters equals, and I need milligrams over milliliters, so 100 milligrams over 5 milliliters. Looks like I need to multiply by 5x on both sides. Reduce the x's, the 5's go, and I have to multiply 5 times 35.45 repeating. I have 35.45 repeating on my calculator, so I just times by 5, and I have 177.27 repeating equals 100x. Divide both sides by 100. And on the left, I just have an x. Over here, divide by 100. And now my x equals 1.772. And I'm finding milliliters per dose. Now up here it says the dose for pain is 6 milligrams per kilogram every 6 hours. So you would give another 6 milligrams per kilogram 6 hours from now, and another 6 milligrams per kilogram 6 hours after that. So this is not a divided dose where we're telling you it's this much medication in a 24-hour period that we have to divide up into 4 equal doses. This is per dose. So our answer 1.77 is per dose.